Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to transfer your money from Zelle to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Let me start by saying that there is no direct way to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. You will need to use a bank as an intermediary. First, you need to withdraw money from Zelle to your bank account and then link this bank account to your Cash App. To do this, follow these steps. Then click on the profile icon in the top right corner of Cash App. Now, scroll down a little and choose Linked Banks. You can either use your debit card by entering the card info to link it to Cash App or click No Card at the bottom. Here, you will see a full list of banking institutions that Cash App supports. For example, if you use Bank of America or Wells Fargo, just click on your bank and continue. You will then be asked to enter your login credentials to verify your identity, and this will link your bank account to Cash App. Once your bank account is linked, you can withdraw money from Zelle to your bank account. In this example, let's say you withdraw money from Zelle to Wells Fargo. Then you can deposit the money from Wells Fargo into your Cash App. To deposit money, go to the main page of Cash App. Click the bank icon at the bottom, then click Add Money. Choose the amount to add instantly, click Add, and you will see your bank account. Choose your bank, and the money will be deposited into your Cash App. That's all for this video. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.